Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to have the review of the iPhone 7 Plus that I got from Shopee. Let's go! Hi guys, so what's up again? This is Josh, and for today is we're going to have my review of the iPhone 7 Plus. So we got this one from Shopee and we bought it for around $300, so that's around 15,000 pesos, and it has 128 gigabytes of memory. And for those people who are asking if they gave us the tempered glass and the accessories, and the answer is yes. They generously gave us those freebies. So guys, I'm going to talk about now the camera, the UI, and also with the battery of the iPhone 7 Plus. So first is I'm going to talk about the camera. So actually guys, to be honest, it just performs the same as the one that you can get from the iStore. So both the front camera and also the back camera, they are also really nice guys. And with the UI guys, I don't have any problems with it. So I already updated this one, and everything runs smoothly. And also with the games such as Mobile Legends and other graphic intensive games, so it is still working nicely guys. Now let's talk about the question if it's like factory unlock, and the answer guys is yes. It's already open line, so out from the box, yes. So you don't have to use any GPP or whatever chips that you need in order for you to use it. And of course, many people have been asking me about the battery, like is it draining so quickly or how long does it last. So based on my observation guys, and based on my experience, so with when we use the mobile data, so it only lasts for around 4 hours, and when we have the Wi-Fi, then you can use that one up to 8 hours. And without any mobile data or Wi-Fi, then just a typical call and text, then it can last you guys around 3 days. And for the normal usage like mobile data for only 2 hours, or like Wi-Fi, I'm pretty sure guys that you can use that one for around 12 hours. Yes, but I've got to be honest, in my case I watch Netflix, I also play some games, then I need to have my power bank with me, and I think that's not a problem. I think we already know what phones are, right? And now my only concern is that sometimes we experience some heating issue, and I think that is just normal with the iPhone, especially when we charge our phone guys. So but it's not too much, so it's bearable and there's nothing to worry about. Alright, so guys, I think that's all for our review, and then if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, can you click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again guys, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.